What's up, guys? This is Rick from Boatential.com, and as you know, today is September 8th, 2017, and Hurricane Irma is about to come this way. I have an 86-foot MERRITT 2013 build that has just been totally bunkered down by about 10 lines. As you can see, utilizing trees, utilizing other boats, and also every single cleat that there is on every seawall that there is available. This 86-foot MERRITT is ready for the Category 4 storm, no doubt. This is the proper way to tie up a super yacht like this. Crisscrossing back to the front. Also utilizing more trees, cleats, and big lines. So this baby's gonna weather the storm, and we'll get back to you and show you how she weathered it.